Welcome to the episode 4 of Capture and Qualify Leads, where we are building powerful WhatsApp automation using different applications. So, are you still sending appointment confirmation messages manually to each of your users' WhatsApp account? What if I tell you the moment you have entered a new data in your Google Sheet, then automatically based on the data that you have entered in the Google Sheet, an appointment confirmation message is automatically sent to the user's WhatsApp account, completely personalized for each user that dynamically includes all the leads that you have entered in each of your Google Sheets fields. So this is the exact automation we will be building in this video. But before we dive into the step-by-step tutorial of how you can create this amazing automation, let me give you a quick overview of how this automation will work in real time. By entering one new test record in this sheet, let's say I am entering a date as 10/2/2026, the timing as 4 p.m., full name as a real user, budget is 38,50,000, property type as 2 BHK apartment, and the last field is the contact number. Here, as soon as I entered the contact number in this field, see, immediately I have received a new message in my WhatsApp business account that include my name as a real user, date, time, property type, budget, contact number, and all the details that I have entered in each of these fields. So this is the magic of Pabbly Connect, and at the end of this tutorial, you can also create this type of automation for your own business too without writing a single line of code using an automation tool named as Pabbly Connect. Now, without wasting any time, let's start building this automation from the scratch. At first, open a new tab and search pabbly.com/connect. So Pabbly Connect is an all-in-one automation tool that's help you to automate and integrate multiple applications without writing a single line of code. In this page, on the right hand side, you will see two options, sign in and sign up free. If you are new to Pabbly, then you will click on sign up free option and get 100 free tasks every month to explore the software. If you are an existing user just like me, then click on the sign in option. But before doing the sign in process, I just want to share something extremely important with you. If you are planning to purchase any Pabbly subscription, then use my coupon code MEHYT and get an exclusive discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. Now that after doing the sign in process, you will be see all Pabbly apps where you have to go in this Pabbly Connect by clicking on this Access Now button, and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect where you can create and manage all of your automation workflows in one place. Here you can see your task allotted, your task consumed, your task remaining, and the free task consumed. As we are creating a new workflow, so I will click on this plus create workflow button. After that, I am creating a workflow from scratch, so I am selecting this option. Next, the workflow builder I am going to select as new beta. After that, I am entering the workflow name as send WhatsApp business messages for new Google Sheets rows. After that, the folder I am going to select as Pabbly Connect. Next, I will click on this create button. See, our workflow is created successfully. Now, this right here is the most important step of doing any automation, name as trigger. Trigger says when this happened. This is the first application you have to select for creating your workflow. So in this tutorial, I am going to select my trigger application as Google Sheets. After selecting the applications, the app event I am going to select as new or updated spreadsheet row, because as soon as a new row is updated in my Google Sheet, then automatically this automation gets triggered. After that, I will click on this connect button. Then you can see it will provide me one webhook URL and the steps that how you can connect your Google Sheet account to your Pabbly Connect. At first, I am copying this webhook URL from here and going to take you to my Google Sheets account. So see, this is my Google Sheet workspace where I have maintained one sheet for my real estate leads. Here in this tutorial, I have taken the real estate test data just only to teach you the process, but you can customize this completely based on your own business. After that, for doing the setup between Pabbly Connect and Google Sheet, you just have to click on this extensions option and click on this Pabbly Connect webhooks. After that, click on this initial setup button. Here I am going to make a new setup. So for that, at first, I am removing the previous one. I'm going to paste the webhook URL in this field. Next is the trigger column. See, the trigger column is the final data column where the data is entered. So in this sheet, the final data column is the F. So I have entered the F here. After that, I will click on the send test button and see, it says that test data sent successfully. Now I am going to show you the workflow. Here you have to wait for a few seconds and see we have received the new response. This includes all the data that we have entered in the last row. This means that our action step is working perfectly. Here, after doing this initial setup, you just have to click on the submit button and then it says that setup configured successfully. Now I'm also going to tell you one thing, that in this setup you just have to click on this extensions option, click on this Pabbly Connect webhooks, and this send on event button should always active. If it is not active, then Pabbly Connect does not receive any response. So make sure that this send on event is always enabled. As we have received the response, this means that the setup of this trigger application is done. Moving forward, I am going to take my action application as Pabbly chart flow, because the moment a new row is added in the Google Sheet, one instant appointment confirmation message will be sent to the user's WhatsApp account. For that, I will click on this plus option. I'm going to select the application as Pabbly chart flow. Next, the app event, I'm going to select a send template message. After that, I will click on this connect button. See, it will provide me two options, name as add new connection and select existing connection. If you have an existing connection, then you will select this option. Here, I'm going to make a new connection. So I will click on this add new connection. Next, it will ask me to enter the token. Now, for getting this token, I am going to take you to my Pabbly chart flow account. So this is my Pabbly chart flow dashboard. Now, what is Pabbly chart flow? So Pabbly chart flow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool that's help you to automate WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 for your different type of businesses. Now, for getting this token, you just have to click on the settings option and click on this API and webhooks option. After that, you will get the token. Just copy it from here and paste it in this field. After pasting the token, click on the save button and see how easy your Pabbly chart flow account is going to be connected to your Pabbly Connect account. Now, in this recipient mobile number, I am going to map the mobile number that I have received from the previous application, means this Google Sheet. So to do the mapping, you just have to enter the slash on the field and the previous application is visible in front of you, and once you click on it, you will be see all the received responses. In this recipient mobile number field, I am going to map the mobile number. See, it is mapped. Now, what is mapping? So mapping is the most important step in automation as it makes data dynamic. As different users have different data, so for capturing each user's data dynamically, mapping is used. With the help of this mapping, whenever you update a new contact number in your Google Sheet, it will automatically change here. The template I am going to select is appointment confirmation message. This is a template that I have already created before in my Pabbly chart flow account. Here I am also going to show you this. You just have to click on this templates option and you will become in this page. This is the page where you can create multiple types of template for your different type of users. Here I have already created one template by the name of appointment confirmation message. If you want to create a new template, you just have to click on this plus add template button. We have already created a separate video of how you can create a template in your Pabbly chart flow account. See, this is the template of appointment confirmation message where I have entered some variables such as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And you can see that I have also entered two curly braces from the start and at the end of the each variables. In the place of each of these variable, automatically the user's data will become. In few minutes, you will understand this more clearly. Here, after selecting the template, I am moving forward to the other fields as these are not required. So I am leaving these blank, and as you can see that as soon as I have selected the template in this field, it will automatically give me the fields of each variable. That is, this is for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. It is visible clearly. Now, in each of these fields, I am going to do the mapping from the previous application. So to do the mapping, you just have to enter slash and map the name here. So at first, I am mapping the full name here as a Rahul Sharma. It is a test data. Next, I am mapping the appointment date. As you can see that how easy you can do the mapping. After that, I am mapping the timing. Next, the property type. Moving forward, the budget. Lastly, contact number. Here I mapped all the fields. With the help of this mapping, automatically the data will be changed. After that, you will see an option by the name of response format. If you want to receive a response in simple format, then you will select this option. And if you want to receive a response in advanced format, for example, structured data, including arrays, flattened key values, then you will select this option. Here I am selecting the response format as simple. Now, before clicking on the save and send test request button, I want to tell you something that in this recipient mobile number field, I have mapped the test mobile mobile number and sending the message into a test number is not possible. So I am removing this number from here and going to enter my number manually, just only to test the working of this step. But you keep that in your mind. In this recipient mobile number field, you have to map the data from the previous response. Only with the help of this recipient mobile number mapping, the message will be sent dynamically to each user's WhatsApp account. And make sure that the contact number includes the country code without plus sign. After entering the mobile number, I am clicking on this Save and Send Test Request button. And see, I have received the positive response. Now I am going to show you my WhatsApp account. See, I received a new message as Hello Rahul Sharma. See, the name is Rahul Sharma come here that I have mapped in this full name field. Appointment date, time, property type and budget. See, all the data that I have mapped in each of these fields is sent it here. So this is how mapping works. As we have received the message, this means that our action step is also working perfectly and our flow is completed. Here I also want you to know that I have clicked on the Save and Send Test Request button just only to send the test data. You don't have to click on this button manually. You just have to click on the Save button and the automation will occur automatically. Now the setup of our action step is also done and our workflow is completed. After the completion of your workflow, you have to make sure that to enable this toggle. If you don't enable this toggle, then your workflow will become disabled and it will not work. With the help of this automation, the moment you have entered a new data in your Google Sheet, an instant appointment confirmation message will be sent to the user's WhatsApp account, and that was personalized for each user. So this is the magic of Pabbly Connect. If you face any difficulties or you have any questions on the creation of this workflow, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. I have also shared the link of this workflow in the description below. You can check it out. So what are you waiting for? Go and try this amazing automation for your own business too. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grabbing exclusive offers.
So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can do multiple integration of many applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Connect, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/connect #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.